go.
Now we're going to ask some example of disadvantages and advantages. Prisha, parang you're really good at managing your time. What are the advantages ba ng paggamit ng computer for schoolwork?
For me, computers are a lifesaver talaga. I can easily access research papers, online libraries, and educational websites. I can organize my notes digitally, create presentations, and collaborate with classmates online. It makes studying much more efficient. I can also easily assess and submit assignments online.
Yeah, finding information is easy, but it's also too easy to get sidetracked. Ang daming games videos and social media notifications, it's hard to focus sa assignments ko. I end up spending hours online without accomplishing much.
That's valid point, Jeff. I'm also worried about the health effects. Sobrang tagal kasi pagtitig sa screen can cause eye strain, headache, and even affect posture. We need to be mindful of our physical well-being.
Yeah, that's right. It's important to take regular breaks, maintain good posture, and use blue light filters. I set timers para remind myself to step away from the screen, and I make sure to get enough exercise and sleep.
So it's not just about the good things, right? There are really downsides din pala sa sobrang paggamit ng computer. I feel guilty when I waste time online instead of studying. It affects my grades and stresses me out.
Exactly.